battle for airspace as Air Asia announces maiden flight is what we're talking about. Of course, in South Mumbai, airspace is different altogether. You try to get parking, you tell the watchman airspace, and he says no. A Twitter war has broken out between the CEO of new low-cost carrier Air Asia and other low-cost airlines. It all started when the Tata-backed Air Asia recently announced a promotional fare of rupees 5. And SpiceJet CEO Sanjeev Kapoor in return launched special all-inclusive one-way fares starting from as low as 2,999. But let's just put all this aside for a moment and consider this one thought about SpiceJet and CEO Sanjeev Kapoor. Why does SpiceJet have a TV chef, Sanjeev Kapoor, as their CEO? Must be good food at least on the airline. I suppose that's the calling card. Okay, now with low-cost airlines charging such affordable rates, the profile of the air traveler will undergo a perceivable change. Now, everybody will be able to fly. So let's go straight to Mumbai Airport where Kaniz, our investigative journalist, has a new low-fare passenger. Kaniz.
What an era we live in, an era for the common man. Till a few months ago, air travel was out of his reach. Today, there is equal opportunity, equilibrium, fairness, parallelism, impartiality, freedom, parity, civil liberties.
No. Civil aviation. Kaniz, let's get to the point. Get on with it. Kaniz, please bring in your guest.
Okay, joining me today is, I'm sorry, what's your name?
क्या कर रही हैं मैडम? प्रद्युमन अबूसारिया.
Sorry, wait, I thought you were Indian. You look Indian.
I am an Indian, Pradyuman Abusaria from Begusarai.
I'm sorry, really? So that's a really funny name. What is it again?
Pradyuman Abusaria. Pradyuman Abusaria.
I would never have known, honestly.
Can we get on to the issue, Kaniz?
Yes. So, Mr. Abu Sandeep.
Abusaria.
Right. How was it on your first flight ever?
Oh, well, it was very comfortable. Very comfortable.
Really?
Yes.
How come?
It reminds me all my journeys as a child.
That is adorable. That is so sweet. So sweet.
देखिए, when you travel low fare, it is exactly like traveling on Allahabad, Ghaziabad, Lucknow mail. Yes. Same long line in airplane station.
You mean airport?
हाँ, वही एक बात है. Long line, pushing, falling, same ticket seller.
No, you mean the check-in counter.
हाँ, का बोले ना एक बात है. In my village also, you have to take bus and drive for long distance for train. Here also same. Take bus and drive for half an hour to reach the plane. Huh?
That actually makes sense. I see.
And madam, आगे बताते हैं. Then you get on and you can't find seat.
Yes.
Same like Allahabad, Ghaziabad, Lucknow mail. Same.
Anything else?
Inside very nice, like same like Allahabad, Ghaziabad, Lucknow mail. Same on same seat, same people, same service, same food.
Sorry, wait, same food, but they don't serve food on low-cost airlines. So
That's what I was said. Same food like on train. It comes from my wife. Dal, roti, sabji, aloo, chokha, bangan, bharta.
You carry your own dal, roti, bangan on the plane?
Why not? Next time I will carry some food, more food for sharing, for sharing with everyone on my berth.
That is beautiful. Good for you, sir.
But I must remember not to carry onions.
Yes.
Some people are complaining of a smell.
Well, okay.
Can you? There is no smell.
No, could you please?
It is good. Onion is good for health.
You know what? Anything else? Would you like to say anything else to the airline? Anything that they can improve on?
Very good.
You can do anything on camera. It will reach them through us.
Yes, I want to say very good. I will say yes. Tickets are still little expensive.
You think 2,999 rupees is an expensive price?
Yes, it is expensive, and you can make it cheaper.
I don't think so. It's already so low, the rate.
Oh, madam, I will give you that idea. Exactly like Allahabad, Ghaziabad, Lucknow mail. Exactly.
Of course. And what is your idea?
देखिए, why does full plane have to be air conditioned? Let first class be air conditioned. Make second class cheaper. Don't have air condition.
And how will that be possible?
Madam, open all the windows. Fresh air. Thanda.
Back to you, Cyrus.
Back to. Can I drop you somewhere?
Nope.
Come, come. I'll
Actually,
drop you.
actually,
No, no,
nope,
it's okay.
not
I'll drop you.
necessary. No.
Yeah, right. Kanis, what you could do is before you open the window, make sure you're standing next to it. So, all works out for the airline and me as well. Joining us now, of course, is alleged business head of AirAsia. Let's get some serious stuff here. Miss, Fatima Soares.
Hi, man, Cyrus. And many thanks for giving us the opportunity to serve you.
Fatima Soares. But, I mean, just the other day, you were a stewardess with Kingfisher and, forgive me, but you're now business head with AirAsia.
What do you mean, man, Cyrus? You don't think ex-stewardesses can become business heads or what, huh?
No, I didn't mean it like that. I'm just a little...
You know, most of the bloody business heads are all useless men. All men have their brains in their pants.
That's what you say, but you know...
I can see your brains right now, Cyrus.
Stop it, all right? Stop it. Okay, now you say you're the alleged business head for AirAsia, and so the reins are in your hands?
What reins are in my hand, man? I'm just controlling the marketing, not the weather.
So I was trying... Forget it. How does AirAsia plan to offer such low rates? Can you tell us?
Now, so you listen, huh? Like most low-cost airlines, we are also planning some cost savings, you know, just on, say, 1 to 3 things, you know, like wanting to charge for, say, check-in baggage.
1 second, I thought the DGCA has objected to that.
What silly people, man, they are. Everybody charges, man. They just do it quietly.
What do you mean quietly? Nobody charges for check-in baggage. I travel all the time.
Arre Baba Cyrus, they disguise it as overweight charge, man.
No, I don't understand this.
Okay, you tell me, huh? How much you pay for Bombay, Delhi, Bombay?
On a low-fare airline, 20 grand?
And do you always have checked-in baggage?
Never.
See, actual price of ticket is 2,999.
So what happens to the rest of the 17,001?
Excess weight, man.
But I have no baggage.
But you have excess weight, no? See how fat you've become.
You are calling me fat? Can we get serious for a minute, please, ma'am?
Why not? So, as I was saying, we are planning some cost savings, you see. You know, just 1 or 2 or 3 things, yeah? Like, say, luxuries.
One, cost savings, luxuries?
Little bit, man. You will not even notice the difference, man.
Okay, go on. What? Like what?
In, say, like the dresses of the stewardesses, you see.
Meaning?
See now, I'm wearing the new uniform.
Cost cutting in the dresses. What's the difference? What's the cost saving?
No skirt, man. I'll show you.
No.
What, you bloody blushing like a teenager, man? You never seen a girl without a skirt or what, eh?
We'll have, no, listen, we'll have viewer cutting. We don't want viewer cutting. Stop it. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, maybe a little peep. Oh my God. No, sorry.